So as a student, I have always struggled with exactly organizing every single task of mine in one place. I have had so many different assignments to do, so many different projects to submit, and so many other tasks that it frankly overwhelmed me a lot. What did I exactly do to tackle this? At that time, I was barely scoring 60%. I had a horrible social life as well. But as soon as I kept on implementing these tips and tricks into my life, I ended up reaching high academic goals, 90-95%. I started making better friends, and I've also started seeing success in my career as well. If I have to give an example, YouTube. So what did I exactly do? And what you can do, we are going to cover in this video. So let's get into it. Today I'm going to talk about the pieces of technology that I have used as a student to learn things in a better manner. So when I was in my 11th grade, I used to find it very difficult to catch up with the syllabus. I was a science student. So much syllabus to cover in barely any time. And my teacher used to have so many expectations of me that frankly were not that easy to get. Well, I struggled a lot, and that showed in my academics. But I started talking to some more people. I started talking to my teachers. I started taking tips. Otherwise, imagine how my life would have been if I couldn't have coped up with what I wanted to do. I really love what I wanted to do, but I couldn't cope up with it because I did not have the right guidance. I did not have the right guidance for that. Today, I'm going to give you people the right guidance. Those people are lost figuring out how they actually manage that much amount of work. I am going to use 3 tools and only 3 tools to end up being able to organize my entire task list so that I don't mentally blow out. First tool is Quizlet. Quizlet has helped me create flashcards, especially when I was learning languages. But this is just because I learned new words. How did I do that? I started using flashcards that I could make on Quizlet. I did this for French, I did this for biology as well. So using Quizlet as a 5-10 minute practice has worked for me as well. So that eliminates your need to sit for hours and hours trying to study over and over again. So if you're the kind of person who's finding it very difficult to cope up with their studies, you can minimize your time by using flashcards, by using Quizlet. That's the first tool. The second one is Notion. Everyone talks about it, but they don't know how to use it correctly. I imagine you're a student that has really struggled, just like me. Notion has helped me centralize all of my task lists, my notes, my to-do lists as well. So whatever I do on Quizlet, I can keep a track of how well I've been doing those things on Notion. Notion also allows me to have integration with other apps. You will see why this is important in some time. But this helps me streamline my workflow. And my last tool has been my Microsoft To-Do or Google Tasks. Since Google Tasks is linked with the entire Google Workspace, I can have my tasks show up on my calendar. This calendar gets integrated with Notion and ends up helping me schedule all of my self-study, helping me schedule all my completion of work, helps me schedule my relaxation time as well. This is such an important tool. These 3 tools, when used in the right manner, help me reach that level and will help you reach that level as well. This was it for today. If you have found any value in today's video, please make sure to like, subscribe and share this content with everyone that you feel will benefit from this. I am sure that each and everyone watching this video will end up seeing success in their life, will end up being the best in their chosen fields. Thank you for watching and happy learning.